Hey guys, here is a really quick tutorial to explain to you how you can find that nth root. So your specific question was about, if I understand it correctly, you're wondering how the textbook got from this 45,360 to the 5.972. And the way that they did it is that you take the 45,000, sorry. You take the 45,000 and you take it to the root of however many numbers you have in that data set. So because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 numbers, you take it to the 6th root. So I'm assuming your question is, well, how on earth do I take it to the 6th root? So this, what I have in front of me here, is a free online scientific calculator, which I will be happy to, I'm going to add the link to that on to our class website as well. So what you do is you just type in 45,360 and you are going to raise it to a power. So you're going to hit this little exponent button right here to raise it to a power. So raise it, and we're going to raise it to raise something to the 6th root. You're actually going to make it a fraction, okay? So we're going to hit the fraction button, and we're going to say 1 over 6. So we're taking 45,360 and taking the 6th root is the same thing as raising it to the 1/6 power. So again, and as you can see, I got the answer right here that they did in the book. So I'm just going to show you one more time just to make sure you got it. So we're going to take that 45,360. We're going to hit the exponent button to raise it. And again, that button that I hit was this button right here to raise it to a power. And to take the 6th root of something, it's the same thing as raising it to the 1/6 power. So now that we've raised it, we're going to hit the fraction button that I have over here. Oops, sorry. Let me go back there. Sorry. There's my fraction. 1 over 6 power. Hit answer. Oops. Sorry, there we go. 1 to the 6th. And you see that I get the answer right there. Hope this helps. If not, please let me know and I'll be glad to send another tutorial.